Okay, so yeah, invitational. What we've got, I've got on the front there 3 processes, right? So I've listed 3 processes, right? We've done the first one. Next, we've got the formula process. So you'll notice there's a formula we can use, and this is the formula here. So we'll get to that in a moment, but we still need to find the point of contact and we still need to find the slope. So those 2 parts of this process remain the same. So here's the function, 1 on x, take x squared. We want to find the tangent at x equals 1. So first we need the point of contact. Well, the x value is 1. The y value is going to be 1 on top of 1, take away 1 squared. So let's find that out. F of 1, the y value would be 1 on top of 1, take 1 squared. That's 1, take 1, that's 0. So the y value is 0. Then we need the slope, okay? In order to find the slope, we need the slope function. So here's our function, all right? It's 1 on x, take x squared. And we can't differentiate that yet because we have this x at the bottom by itself. So we'll take that to the top. So it's x to the minus 1, take x squared. Now we can differentiate it. We've got everything at the top as a fraction. So we'll differentiate. 2x. So just using the power rule, that number comes out the front. Minus x to the minus 2, take away 2x. And we want the slope now that we've found the slope function when x is 1. Okay, so we're finding f dash of 1. We're putting that number 1 into the derivative function. We're going to have minus 1 to the minus 2, take away 2. All right, so we can put this in our calculator, but basically it's saying minus 1 divided by 1 squared. So this part's minus 1. The negative is outside the bracket, so 1 squared is positive 1, but then you've got that negative. And then we have take away 2, we have minus 3. So a little bit involved there in getting the slope. You can type that into your calculator. The slope is minus 3. All right, we've got the point of contact and we've got the slope. All right, so for our equation then, this is our equation. And I'm just going to write out what each component is first. So we have a equals 1. All right, see here, if the point of contact is a, f of a, our point of contact is 1, 0. So 1 corresponds with a and f of a corresponds with 0. So we'll put that here, f of a is 0. And then we have f dash of a is the slope, so f dash of a is minus 3. So we've got each of those 3 components, and all you have to do is substitute them into this equation. So I'll write the equation out here. F dash of a times x take a plus f of a. So we're going to put that a where the 1 is, where the a is. We're going to put f dash of a where that is, and we'll put that component where that is. So the first thing we've got is f dash of a, which is minus 3. We're multiplying, all right, so f dash of a is minus 3. I'm putting that there. In brackets, we have x take away a. The value of a is positive 1, so we'll have x take away 1. And then f of a is 0, so we have plus 0 over here. Then all we have to do is expand and collect like terms. This becomes minus 3x plus 3. All right, so you'll notice, right, this whole first part was the same, finding the point of contact, finding the slope. It's just this here, finding the equation of a line. You can do it in a different procedure. Now, at year 12 level, we're going to want you to be comfortable with all 3 procedures. Today, I anticipate only teaching the first 2. We'll see how you guys are feeling. We've still got a bit of time to knuckle through the next 3 questions. But what I'd like you to do now, have a go at these 3, the next 3. So what was it? D, E, F. We've done ABC, D, E, F, but using the equation formula. Okay? That's what I'd like you to have a bit of a go at. Any questions? All right, good.